Hey guys, this is Devin from Barefoot Props. I've been traveling today and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about stuff that's coming up and maybe ask you some questions. So I'm going to pull over where it's safe and I will get right back to you. Alright, so as usual, when I'm driving on long trips is when I'm brainstorming about what I want to do next. And I do have some upcoming projects that I'm working on, but I also like it if somebody gives me a suggestion of something they'd like to learn, something they've seen of mine, or something that they may want to see in the future, a future video on how I do a certain technique. And I don't know everything, but I've been doing this for a while, and I've developed some unique ways of doing a lot of stuff. Between me or redneck, one of us will figure it out. But so what I've got coming on in the near future for Dragon Con, I'm going to build the abominable snowman from Bugs Bunny, the old classic cartoon. Nothing real in depth there. It'll be one of the few times I've worked with fur, so that should be kind of interesting. And how we lay this structure out to make a cartoon character fit on a human body, especially something as uniquely shaped as the abominable snowman from Bugs Bunny. I have a hard time with that, but you know, you remember, this is my buddy George. I'm gonna pet him and I love him, and yeah, that guy. So that's coming up. I'm also gonna be casting, do some metal casting using Mold Star 60 from Smooth On, making a 1 foot tall Anthem character, one of the playable characters on Anthem, and I'm going to try to make a big mold of that and cast it in pewter using that silicone mold. So that's coming up in the near future. And plus I'll be able to show some videos of the project we're working on that I've just not been able to release yet. It's not a totally in-depth video, but some stuff that we've been working on through Stony Props. So anyhow, if y'all have any suggestions of anything that y'all like to see, please put it in the comments. I'd love to have some more material to work on. I'm gonna get the cop's gonna stop here because they're wondering what the heck I'm sitting there. Nope, he kept going. Okay, good. All right. So anyhow, so guys, if you have any ideas or anything you'd like to see, please put a comment down below so that I'll see it. I do respond to my comments when I see them, and subscribe so that I can keep putting these videos out. I really enjoy making them. I think I probably enjoy making them more than building this stuff, but I've had a lot of fun doing these videos recently. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you'd like to see, and we'll catch you soon.